Hey guys, here you'll see my log ramps installed. You can put them anywhere along that rail. I just got it up for a short log right now. They just rest right on this rail that the saw slides on, and you can load the log right up onto the bunks pretty easily. And they come with little holes for the bolts so that you can make these however tall your saw is. I find it extremely helpful because I manually load my logs, and I do not have a tractor or anything to help me. So these little teeth bite into the log, help me make sure it doesn't slide back down, and I can get my saw up there my log up there just by turning it. So if you're having trouble, you want to manually load, strongly suggest this purchase. These log ramps that I got with the saw are one of the best for helping me get the log up on those bunks. And I have the log set. I install those log ramps, and then I use my PV just like this. I hook into the bark. I have the point on that side, and I just roll her up there. Best thing about it is there's teeth on these. So as you get up there, it locks that log in. As you see, I've got a part of the way up the log ramp now, and those teeth, they're not very big, but they just help bite into the bark of the wood to keep that log from sliding back. So now I'll finish getting it up on the sawmill. Got another cedar up on the sawmill today. Cut a couple of 2-inch boards and cut some scrap off the side. So hopefully I'll have a bunch of 2x2s and a couple 1-inch shelves out of the rest of that. So stick around. So guys, all the cutting I did today, I got 4 1x12x6s, 6 2x2x6s, 3 2x6.5x6, and then a couple of 2-inch just live edge right there in the middle. So not too bad. All of it's cedar, all of it in pretty good condition. So we'll see how much I can get out of that. How much is usable after it dries. Still got to sticker it though, so. So here you'll see all that lumber we cut today. Stickered, hopefully air drying out. Might take a little bit, but should come out pretty straight. And I can always mill it down if it warps or twists or has an issue. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.